Shubham, you are appearing for which interview on which date? What is your qualification?
Sir, I am appearing for RRB Scale 2 IT Officer on 8th of November. My qualification is Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering.
You are appearing for IT officer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just a minute.
Sure, sir.
Can you tell me why there is need for IT officers in RRBs?
Sir, as banks are growing day by day, and in this digital era, network infrastructure is the backbone of banking system nowadays. So IT officer is needed to handle the network security, network infrastructure, and maintenance. Also, to implement new cutting edge technologies.
Good. So what are you doing nowadays? Are you working?
Nowadays,
When did you clear your degree?
I graduated in year 2018. Since then, I was working with Infosys and Accenture. I have 4.5 years of working experience.
Which year did you resign from Accenture?
This year, in month of February.
So can you tell me in the month of December 22, January 23, February 23, what are the significant contribution made by you to Accenture?
Yes, sir. Uh, in last 3 months, I was working on a migration project where we shifted from on-premise data center to Azure Cloud Data Center. I was an integral part of migration project, sir.
Oh, good. No, I don't know whether you will be knowing this. So, what is the methodology the banks, the government, and other big institutions like corporation, income tax, what is the strategy they have to see that they are not affected by the hacks or crooks, such that if one material is affected, one software is one network is affected, the other network will be having. Because I always used to have this doubt in my mind as an old man. अरे भाई हम पूरा पैसा बैंक में रखा है, उस बैंक को अकाउंट को कुछ खराब हो गया तो मेरा पैसा क्या होगा? So this is my genuine doubt I have. How will you satisfy us about this?
Yes, sir. So this is a legit uh, query, but as a banking institution, we have a very tight cybersecurity protocols in place. We have authentications and authorizations as per their roles. Also, data is regularly backed in a physical form. There are multiple copies of data. In case something happens to the primary data, there will be a disaster recovery site from which we can recover the data. So data will be saved in any case. Also, data is encrypted in form. So even if someone steals the data, they are not able to read it, as it is just a garbage characters without the encryption key. So your data will be safe with bank no matter what.
Mm.
Hopefully I was able to
Yeah,
satisfy
you,
the
you,
query.
you have clarified the point, but you have not used the technical word some backup.
That was the disaster recovery.
Acha, acha. Backup, disaster recovery, some such points you can make. Storage of payment system data. Yeah. Reserve Bank of India establish and enforce a periodic backup of information on network resources. This one, I think this may be of use for us. Just a minute. But this type of tough questions they won't ask you, but still be ready for this. I will give this link in our Telegram page.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. They don't ask this much tough questions and all. फिर भी आप तैयार हो जाइए. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure you would not have studied this. Did you study this?
No, sir, I did not go through this.
इसमें बहुत कुछ है जी. It is not theoretical. It is all your own network related problem only.
Okay, sir, I'll read this.
I will give this for your WhatsApp also. WhatsApp number आपको number है. What is your number? 74599
No,
74599. हाँ.
the same one which is open in the chat.
अच्छा, this one. Good. Very good. It's a very useful material. Good. Now we will go for other questions. I think I have opened it here. I have opened it here. Mm, mm, Not this one. I have opened it here. Reserve Bank, Reserve Bank, Reserve Bank, Reserve Bank. IT officers. Yeah. What are the characteristics of a software?
So software characteristics
Characteristics.
of
Mm,
sticks of a software. It is functionality should be availability. Second, it should not have a glitch or a bug. It should be
mm,
consistent in a
mm,
performance.
mm,
It should be scalable. When
mm,
huge load comes, we should be able to add new servers to handle that load.
mm,
Availability, scalability, and it should be able
mm,
to provide the services all the time.
mm. So
That's
इसमें दिया है the words functionality,
yes,
efficiency, reliability, usability, maintainability, portability. ये थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए ना आपने पूरा पढ़ा नहीं आपने. I
okay,
think
sir.
you are not studied this fully. Did you study it or not? और आपने
Yes, sir. I read it.
भूल गया. हाँ, you read it.
I read it once.
Once करने से कैसे चलेगा? Is it that our mind is like a computer? एक बार ऐड करने से सब उधर ही रह जाएगा? ऐसा तो नहीं है. Correct?
Yes,
देखिए
sir.
headings देखिए functionality, efficiency, reliability, usability,
Usability.
maintainability, and portability. Then
Yes, sir.
they are asking question, what is the difference between computer program and computer software? Then what is a framework? इसको आंसर दीजिए.
Framework is well-known development strategy to develop a software in a step-by-step approach.
Yeah. Then what is the difference between computer program and computer software?
Computer program is a block of code designed to perform a specific task, and a computer software is a collection of programs to perform a specific application.
Mhm. What are the different SDLC models available?
Software development life cycle models are waterfall model, spiral model, uh, feedback model, V-shaped model. These are the few models.
Yeah, incremental model, agile model, big bang model, then iterative
Yes,
model. I don't know what are they. अब देख लीजिए. Which
yes.
SDLC model is the best?
The best SDLC model is agile because
So,
it provides
super,
less time to mark.
sufficient. Tell me what
Sure.
is debugging?
Debugging is a process to remove the bugs, to identify the bugs and correct it.
What is an IT officer should do?
IT officers' roles and responsibilities are to provide end-to-end support in daily banking activities from infrastructure, network infrastructure point of view, take secure the databases, take regular backups, install antiviruses, and protect the network infrastructure.
But there are also questions like, say, what are the drawbacks of spiral model? What are the merits of incremental? You need not tell me. ये सबको आप prepare हो जाइए.
Okay, sir.
What is SRS?
SRS is software required specification. It is the first step in software development to gather the requirements from the customer to develop desired software.
What are case tools?
Case tool is computer aided case, software enabled.
Mhm.
It is a tool to help programmers to develop a code.
What are verification and validation?
Verification is method where we check whether we have built it right, and validation is the after completing the project we check it, have we built it right.
Correct. What do you mean by software re-engineering?
Software re-engineering is a process to analyze a software in a backward manner from the software to its core components.
What is feasibility study?
Feasibility study is in a software to analyze whether software will sustain a huge load or it will fail.
Hmm. Economic feasibility, technical feasibility, operational feasibility, legal feasibility, schedule feasibility. Define black box testing and white box testing.
Black box testing is when it is done by a tester where they don't know the code and they are concentrating on the functionality of the software. They test the results. In white box testing is done by a developer where they verify the code and how it works.
What is concurrency?
I'm sorry, sir, I need to read about it.
In a software engineering, concurrency refers to a set of techniques and mechanisms that allow the software to do many tasks at the same time. Concurrency can be achieved by using the languages like C++ or Java because these languages support the concept of thread. New hardware and software features are required to achieve concurrency. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
पढ़ लीजिए आप, no problem. Now some more questions. What is
Mhm.
DDoS attack?
Denial of service attack is a distributed attack where hacker use botnets to attack on a particular institutional servers to avoid legitimate requests to be served. It blocks the overwhelms network traffic on a particular server.
What is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS?
Both are uh, protocols. In major difference is HTTPS is more secure than HTTP. It uses SSL and TLS protocols to add encryptions.
But what is DMZ?
DMZ stands for Dematerialized Zone. It is a server which acts as a barrier between trusted and untrusted network.
What do you know about cryptocurrency?
Cryptocurrency is a blockchain based digital currency which has no legal grounds and it is fluctuating based on a demand and supply.
What is CBDC? And are RRBs dealing with CBDC?
CBDC is central bank digital currency launched by RBI in year 2022. This is digital currency and presently RRBs are not dealing with CBDC.
Correct. Good. What is a unicorn? And just,
Unicorn is a
yeah, how many numbers are there in India?
okay. Unicorn is a startup which achieves the market capitalization of 1 billion. Presently, I'm not entirely sure about the number, but during March or April, we celebrated 100 Unicorn of India as open network.
I think more number of unicorns in India. How many unicorns are there in India? Answer is given as correct. As on 31st May 2023, India is home to 108 unicorns with a
Okay, sir.
total valuation of 340.80 billion. Out of the total number of unicorns, 44 unicorns with a total valuation of 93 billion were born in 2021 and 21 unicorns with a valuation of 27 were born in 2022. How many Indian startups will enter the unicorn club in 3 years? Indian startup ecosystem is expected to witness the entry of over 150 more startups in the unicorn club in the next 3 years. Unicorns of India report decodes the Indian like that. इसको पढ़ लीजिए, you search in Google so that you will get more questions like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is UPI and when was it introduced?
UPI stands for Unified Payment Interface. It is an instant payment gateway launched and maintained by National Payment Corporation of India. It was launched in year 2016.
Mhm. Why do you want to join RRB?
There are mainly two reasons to join RRBs. First, RRB is offering me direct scale 2 position, valuing my experience. And as I'm looking for a stable working hours, as in SAP world, we have clients mostly from US and UK, which involves night shifts. So I'm looking for a stable work-life balance.
Are you aware of the guidelines of RBI for hosting bank data on cloud?
Sorry, sir, I'm not uh, aware about this. I'll read upon it.
This question is I have already given as a third question. ना? आपने
Yes, sir.
देखा आपने देखा नहीं देखा?
I searched online, but there wasn't anything specific about it.
इधर है जी, Reserve Bank of India Master Directions.
That I didn't go through. I'll check on this.
1 minute. इसको पढ़ लीजिए. Hello.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
This also you read. It will be helpful for you. Good. Best wishes. Now, please tell me the name of 5 union ministers.
Sorry, sir, I couldn't hear the question.
What are the name 5 union ministers?
Okay, sir. So, Minister of Home Affairs, Mr. Amit Shah.
Mm,
External Affairs Minister, Mr. S. Jaishankar.
mm,
Finance Minister, Ms. Nirmala Sitaramanji.
mm,
Agriculture Minister, Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar.
mm.
And Minister of IT, Mr. Ashwini Kumar
Ashwin
Vaishnav.
Vaishnav. Very good.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes. God bless you. I wish you
Thank you, sir.
success. I wish you success. God bless you.